Hello, Namaste everyone. This is As Muhammad Khan, and today again we are on the same platform with a new segment, that is cell division student. Now, when you see your image in the album and if you compare it with the image of today, then what will you observe? You will observe the growth that are taking place in your body. So students, the growth that you are having in your body, it is due to the cell division. And in the cell division, there is one process takes place in the form of different stages. Like the first division that takes place in our body in the form of cell division is mitosis, and second is meiosis. This mitosis is the cell division in which cell is divided into two daughter cells. Meiosis is the cell division in which a single cell is divided into four daughter cells. So the process in which a matured cell is divided into two daughter cells is known as mitosis. So the growth that you are having in nowadays, it is due to the mitosis, student. Meiosis is the cell division that takes place in our germinal cell like sperm and ovum, in which a single cell is divided into four daughter cells. So the meiosis is the process in which a single cell is divided into four different cells, student. It takes place in the somatic cells. Means mitosis takes place in the somatic cell, means the cells that are found in our body organs and that help us in our growth. Meiosis is found in our germinal cell like sperm and ovum. In the mitosis, the cells that are formed are known as diploid cells, student. Diploid cell have the two set of the chromosome. Meiosis is the cell division in which the cells that are formed are known as haploid, and they have single set of chromosome. In this picture you can see, like in the mitosis, if we will discuss about the mitosis, then in this, the matured cell, chromatin material that have specially DNA, that DNA is replicated. Means the same copy of DNA is formed due to the DNA replication, and we also get the other set of the DNA, and this process is known as DNA replication. Now, the chromatin material of this cell is divided, and from which the cell that we get, those cells belongs from diploid, means they have the two set of the chromosome. So here you can see there are the two set, one set, two set, one set and two set. So this is about the mitosis. Now it is responsible, means the mitosis is responsible for our growth, and it is also responsible for the asexual reproduction. Now what is asexual reproduction, student? Asexual reproduction is the reproduction in which the single parent is involved. So, the asexual reproduction is done with the help of mitosis cell division. Now we come on the meiosis diagram. In this, it is the parent cell, means a matured cell is developed into parent cell due to the DNA replication taking place here also. After that, it is divided into two cells, and the cells that we will get are diploid in nature, and from those diploid cells we again get the two more cell, means the total 4 daughter cell we get, and 4 daughter cells have haploid nature. Haploid nature means they have single set of the chromosome, means they have only n cell, 1n. So the cell that we obtain here are haploid cells, student. And how many daughter cells are obtained here? 4 daughter cells. And this meiosis is found in our germinal cell, student. Germinal cell. And can you tell me the male germinal cell? You have read about it in your 8th class. Tell me the name of the male germinal cell. It is sperm. And what is the female germinal cell? It is ovum. So it takes place in the germinal cell. And as you know, it takes place in the germinal cell. That's why it facilitates sexual reproduction. Now, in the mitosis, the daughter cell that we obtain, they are similar with each other, similar to parent cell. But in this meiosis, the cell that we obtain in the form of daughter cell does not similar to parent cell. So it is about the mitosis and meiosis, student. So I hope that you have cleared about this cell division. Now it is completed, means the mitosis is completed in a single stage, and that includes the different phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. But meiosis is completed into 2 stages, student. 2 stages. First is meiosis first, in which it is divided into 2 cells. After that, there is meiosis second. Those 2 are divided into another 2, means total 4 daughter cells are obtained. So it is completed with the help of 2 stages, meiosis first and meiosis second, and it is completed with the help of 1 phase. So in each phase, in each stage, there are the 4 phases. 4 phases, and you will read about them in your senior classes. First is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now in this, the thing that play a very important role is chromatin material. And where the chromatin material is found, student? Tell me. It is found in the nucleus. So I hope that you have cleared this topic, and now this lesson is completed, and now we will read the next chapter. So thank you very much.